Hello and welcome to a new video from Build with Rafiq. Today I'm going to show you how to build a fun project for this Christmas. I will build a chocolate vending machine inspired by the secret world of Santa Claus. Let's start with unboxing all the components I will use in this video. You will need an Arduino Uno board, a Grove Arduino Uno base shield, a Grove button, a Grove sound buzzer, a micro servo motor, and a Grove stepper motor with a motor driver. Let's start with building the vending machine. I'm using cardboard here, but you can build it with wood, which will make it more stable. The first thing I'll start with is building the housing of the vending machine. I will glue the housing together later, as for now I need access so I can build the inside of the vending machine. Next, I will build the base of the chocolate box holder. The chocolate box will be placed on top of it to be on the same level as the vending machine's door. Glue these inside the vending machine. It should be placed in the middle of the vending machine and glued to the back and bottom panels. Let's assemble the chocolate bar box, where we will stack up all the chocolate bars. The cardboard measurements used in this part are adjusted according to the chocolate bar's size. The chocolate bar used here is 18 cm long and 4 cm wide. Before gluing the parts together, I will point out the main function of the chocolate box. We want to push the chocolate bar from the back of the box so it drops out at the front. The right hand side image shows how I placed the two front and back cardboard panels relative to the two side panels. The 1 cm gap in the image should be the thickness of the chocolate bar. Lastly, glue the box on the edge of the base that was built in the previous step. To push the chocolate bars out, I built an arm placed on a servo motor behind the chocolate box. The next step is to build the vending machine's front panel, which includes a door mechanism that opens up when the vending machine is triggered. And now to build the door mechanism. For this, you will need a chopstick and a paper clip. The paper clip needs to be formed into an L shape on one end and as a hook on the other end. Drill a tiny hole into the top part of the chopstick and insert the paper clip into it. Glue the other end of the chopstick to the stepper motor. Then fix the stepper motor near the door. The final step is to glue the paper clip to the door. For connecting the hardware parts, check the step-by-step guide. You can find a link to the guide in the description of this video. Connect the Arduino board via a micro USB to a PC. Navigate to the Mouser Electronics GitHub repository where you can find the source code of this project. Flash the christmasvendingmachine.ini file, which you will find in the software folder. I've also included a link to this project's repository in the video description. Thank you for following this tutorial. I hope you liked this fun Christmas project. For more information, check the full article in the description of this